Video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your dashboards in HubSpot. We'll walk through everything from logging in to organizing and customizing dashboards, so you always have the insights you need at your fingertips. Let's get started by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot website URL. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll see a range of tools designed to support your business operations. But for today, our focus is on managing dashboards. Look to the top right corner and click Log In. Enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage, your central hub for all major business tools. Now, let's dive into the dashboard features. On the homepage, find and click on the Reports section. This will bring up several analytics options. From here, click Dashboards, a powerful HubSpot feature that lets you view key metrics and data points in one organized place. On the Dashboards page, look for the Create Dashboard option. Click it to start building and customizing a dashboard that fits your business goals. After you're done creating, you can exit the creation mode by clicking Exit, which takes you back to the main dashboard overview. To further organize your dashboards, click on Manage Dashboards. This section is essential. It allows you to modify, update, rename, or remove dashboards as your business needs change. Proper management ensures your insights remain relevant and focused on what matters most. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage dashboards in HubSpot. Dashboards are an incredibly valuable tool for tracking performance, analyzing trends, and gaining insights at a glance. Whether you're monitoring sales progress, marketing impact, or overall business performance, dashboards help you make data-driven decisions with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you unlock the full potential of HubSpot's analytics tools. Happy HubSpotting!